One of the harder ones to do would be when a cylinder is on top of another cylinder, like this question. Think of it this way. The cylinder that's on the top is covering this much space right here. So you can no longer touch this circle on the bottom cylinder. However, if we were to lift this top cylinder up, take this top piece off and put it on that space, what we'd be left with is just the body of this top cylinder and everything from the bottom cylinder. So we could do that, which means that we wouldn't need these two circles from the top cylinder, because we're going to take this one and put it on top of that, separate them out. We still can't touch the bottom of it. And we don't need any area of overlap now. We can do the top cylinder body, that's the body right here. Don't forget that it opens up into looking like this. So the body is actually a rectangle. We know that the height is 4, and in order to figure out the distance across, we need the formula circumference equals pi times diameter, because this is the circumference. So that's going to equal 3.14 times. If the radius is 3, then the diameter would be halfway across plus halfway across. 3 plus 3 is 6. That's going to equal 18.84. So this is 18.84 across. For that top cylinder is the circumference. So then becomes the body here. The body is area equals the length times width. That's the body, which is 18.84 times 4, which ends up being 75.36. We can also do the body of the bottom cylinder, same idea. Is we know that the height is 2, and we know that the circumference has to be pi times the diameter. The diameter is 8, so we will go 3.14 times 8, which should give us 25.12. So that's a 25.12 length times width of 2. So equals 25.12 times 2, length and width, equals 50.24. The only thing we have left to do are the circles of that bottom one. Area equals pi r squared. We're going to times that by 2 because we've got a top circle with that formula, and we have a bottom, this top circle right here. And we also have a bottom circle, this one right here, with that formula. So that's 2 of them, times it by 2. So that's going to equal pi times a radius of, if the diameter is 8, then the radius is 4, times 2. And then we multiply all that together on our calculator. 3.14 times 4 squared times 2, we get 100.48. Now, if we add all these together, we will get a total surface area. Because you can touch that top circle right here, but remember, you can't touch a circle the same size on the bottom one. So we're going to take it and put it there. And, but we can touch the body of the top cylinder, we can touch the body of the bottom cylinder, and we can touch both circles now of the bottom cylinder. Add all that up, and you get a total surface area of 226.08 centimeters squared for that question.